Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Tucson, Arizona. It's an example of a medium blue Bronco sitting on a Kinzer Engineering 4-link chassis. That means it has a coilover shock on all four corners. Add to that these built aluminum wheels and you've got an all-American look for this Ford Bronco. Let's take a look inside, and what we're going to find is something unique. This vehicle features billet finishes throughout. It has premium touch everywhere you look, including cruise control, the rear view mirror, even has powered window lifts at the touch of a handle. Now, this vehicle has something else that we love to see in our Broncos, and that is a deviated stitch to match the exterior paint. It even has heated and cooled seats. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.